Hey guys, today we're playing Treasure Quest, and yeah, I keep dying. This boss is so OP. So what am I gonna do about it? Maybe I can try again. Yeah, yeah, but who's this guy supposed to be? He's definitely better, but okay. Let's just try a little level. Test this out. Maybe. Okay, maybe I die, maybe not. Let's see. This might be this easy. Easy. These guys are so fast. They fall to my trap. And that was easy as always. Now these people are gonna pay for their ultimate price. That's what they get for messing with me. Idiots. Ha. Here. Oh. That works. Okay. I barely even got damaged. This is so easy. Oh, come on. These are gonna pay. Easy. Come on, why did I do so? Oh, I did that black hole again. Where am I going? I feel like this isn't even fast. Come on, where am I supposed to go? Maybe, okay, there. Now time to battle. That was easy. This is gonna be easy too. Look at these noobs. Noobs. Too bad to wood. Too bad. Done. You're done. That was easy. I know who's boss. Let's show him who's boss. You can get shown who's boss. I'm the boss. Idiot. Love this. They all at least have a chance. This is too easy for my own good. Time to battle. Oh look. That was easy. That's exactly why. Okay, we I should probably go into Fortress Market. This reminds me of Fortnite. Yeah, well, these guys don't really stand a chance. This is their ideas. Okay. Wow, these really are weak. Yeah, but they do a lot of damage. That's for sure. I just do the number shorter. These are so weak. Oh. Oh my god. Disrespectful. Look at this guy. Look at the noob. I'm gonna destroy him. Look at this guy, he's gonna get destroyed. Come on, why didn't I do that right? This guy not even scary. Let's start shooting. Come on, I got some of that. That's good. And he got defeated. I'm gonna end this video right here. Put a like and subscribe. See you.